If you are a social media manager and you are sick and tired of your clients not getting you content to publish, this is for you. This is literally the hack you need to understand in order to be able to charge higher prices, provide more value for your clients, and create less work for yourself and your clients. You need to figure out how to create content when your client cannot. And this is what I mean. Our agency used to send out prompts at the beginning of every month for clients to create 5 to 15 videos per week. That is an insane amount of videos for most clients to create. It turns them into a full-time video creator. They are running a business. They have hired you because they do not have time to be a full-time video creator. So where do you pull content? This is where vetting your prospects is going to be really important because you want to have clients who have content banks. Most clients do not have content banks, but they do have content to make a content bank. What goes in a content bank? Long-form YouTube videos, interviews that they have done, podcast episodes, TV interviews, recordings of meetings that they have with their team or with their clients, B-roll from somebody following them around while they're doing their everyday stuff, the last 3 to 5 years of their social media content. All of those, you can take content from, chop it up, repurpose it, turn it around, put it in writing form, move it into a different type of content, and publish it across all the social media platforms. If your client does not have content, maybe they haven't been on social media and they're completely new to the game, then the easiest way for them to create content without having to constantly create content is to batch and create long form pieces that you can chop up and use for a lot of things. For example, find a marketing company in their local area that can help them do a podcast. One that is 20 to 30 to 45 minutes long. It needs to be a video podcast so that you can use both the audio and the video. Have that company edit the video and then send it to your social media marketing company to chop up, pull stories from, and start gleaning all of the things that your client brings to their customers and purposing it across their stuff. You can post the long form podcast episode on YouTube, chop it up to use as shorts and TikToks, and take the stories and advice they're giving and turning them into carousel, text posts, and graphic cards. Your client can now create a month or months worth of content in a couple of hours. If you're a social media manager and you need help managing your clients, I can help you get the best results for your clients with the least amount of stress to you and help you avoid the mistakes along the way. Follow me for more social media content.